So buying a 150K house only from side hustles profit. This is a new series that I'm making, and the rules are clear. My goal is to buy a house that is worth around 150K, and I am only using side hustle profits to do that. Let's get into it. Okay, so I just came back from my vacation. And vacation use my photo camera, also Insta-X5. So I have a lot of video footage and photos that I'm going to upload to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond 5. But also, as you can see in the screen, I went horse riding, use my Insta-X5. We'll cut this video into 1 or 2 minute clips and upload them everywhere. Then Morskaya Oko lake view. Same story. Going to upload it, cut it out and upload it. Castle. Also went quad riding. Same story. Gonna cut it up and upload it. Okay, so there is a lot of material. Probably will take me whole day. And for you, only 50 seconds on montage. Let's go. Uploading all except Adobe Stock because you can only upload 50 files weekly. So basically, as you can see, I have made $8 on Adobe Stock. Pond 5 just started using it. So these are the first files that I uploaded. And Shutterstock, as you can see, I have $0 made. But I hope in the future that will change. So for Creality points, from my uploaded models received this Creality Filament Dryer. I already sold it locally. We'll give it to the person tomorrow. And that's our first profit for the series, $35 in the pocket. Also, I have enough points for another filament dryer. Let's order it now. Redeem. Okay, as you can see, I have another one ordered. So that's 2 more filament dryers when they arrive. And also, I recently received a €100 gift card from a Lego store. I already bought 10 filament spools. I haven't received them yet, but when I do receive them, I will sell them locally. But for now, I don't have it in hands, so I won't be adding that to the profit. Another thing that I would like to show you, I started an affiliate marketing WordPress page. So I am an electrical engineer. So this is why I chose this thematic. And I have already uploaded 100 articles in total. 20 of them are affiliate marketing ones with links. I am using Amazon affiliates for that. And actually even made my first 75 cents. So currently the plan is to upload some more tutorials, and also ideally it would be perfect to AdSense this website, so I would get some money from advertisements when people click. So yeah, that's the plan, and I think I will wrap up this episode. So we have made $35 out of 150K, and see you in the next episode.